Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another review. Today, we have a somewhat budget clipper. Not somewhat, it's a budget style clipper. It's from REDbyKiss, more of a company that uses or does more of cosmetology type items. I've never actually even bought anything from them until they started doing until I started noticing barber gear from them, and they actually had sent this out to me after me talking about another one of their products on Instagram a while ago. So shout out to them for sending this to me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. We all have a choice in life, and if that's your choice, then that's your choice. God bless you, and thank you for at least watching this one video. All right. I've been having something in my throat for the longest. It's like been like almost a month, right? But anyway, let's get to the review. The product that we have today is the REDbyKiss, the Ultra Clean Cordless Clipper. All right. Long-lasting lithium-ion battery. It lasts up to 5 hours. Gapless blade. High quality, strong carbon, all the good stuff that you see on boxes or whatever, right? Mega torque and speed motor, worldwide dual voltages, non-slick grip, easy to adjust the lever. And say 9-piece accessories, and we're going to talk about the 9-piece accessories, right? So as far as the shipping time, actually, I have no idea. From the last clipper that I ordered from them, when I ordered it, it came in like a week or so. This actually they sent to me, didn't even know it was coming, but I have been using it for a little while. If you watch my Instagram, I've used this a little bit for a little while, right? I should have actually been reviewed it, but we're gonna get to it today. All right. Actually, in the box, what you get is you get guards, but you only get 4 guards. You get from a number 1 up to a 4. Right? You don't get a half guard, you don't get a 1.5, but this clipper can take other guards, and we'll talk about that as well. All right, then you get the clipper oil, and then it's using the USB charger. It does not come with a block, so you will have to get your own block, or you know, it's cool. You know what I mean? You got blocks. That's what I say in all these videos, right? You got blocks. My back itching, right? So here's the design of the REDbyKiss clipper. Yes, go ahead, leave comments down below that it is a whatever knockoff of Babeless. I know that's what y'all gonna say. I know that. It's cool. Got nothing to do with me, right? But this is the design. And actually, I don't like the design, how close it is to the Babeless, right? But there are a few differences, and we'll talk about them, right? But this is the design here. You get the LCD screen there. It tells you the time and everything left. It says 6,500 RPM. And when I first see that, I'm thinking that since it's telling you the RPM, that it either got 2 speeds or it changes when it's dying, and it tells you the RPM. But it's at 39%. And I mean, nothing starts to change. I've got it down low. It didn't change. At least on mine, it did. I don't know if anybody else. So if you use this and the RPM changed on the LCD screen, let me know. All right. You got the click levers. 1, 2, 3. You got 4, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 4 positioning. The power button is here. And this is the front design. It does come with a taper blade. That you see there. We'll get out the way. That's the opening. They say hanging hook, but I wish I could get a charging dock for this. But let's get to the price of this. The price of this is only $59. So based off the accessories and the decent quality of this clipper, $59 is not a bad price. Got the knob here. All right, this is one thing that I did. Let's hear the sound real quick. It's very quiet, right? And as far as performance, it does give a decent, smooth fade. It can go through bulk. Depending on texture of the hair, it will seem like it go through bulk very smoothly, right? But there have been times of me using this that you get a snag, right? You get a snag and it's not going through. So a few cuts I did have to switch to a different clipper to really get to start the haircut. As far as fading, this blade is actually pretty smooth. I'm not mad at it at all. I would try to put a fade blade on this. I don't know if they sell fade blades, but I would put a fade blade on it myself to really give it a go. But based off of the blade that they have on here, it is not bad. The only thing one of the things that I don't like is where that power button is located, because depending on where you hold the clipper, if you holding it here fading, there have been times where my hand has ran into the button and cut it off while I'm cutting. You know what I mean? So maybe a lower position of this button if they still wanted to put it on the front. But I mean, you can hold it here, but the way that I hold it, depending on the lever, is where I hold. So there's been times where, you know, it just knock it off, right? As far as the guards, not a fan of their guards. They not the worst, but I didn't like them. So I did go to using my wall guards. The only problem with the wall guards is they fit and you can get the job done, but they don't fit quite well. When you put it on, it kind of rattles when you turn it on. So let me see. Y'all can hear that rattle. It's just like a little loose, you know what I'm saying, on there. But then you can swap to maybe a Babyliss, or not a Babyliss, but a Stylecraft dual magnetic, or you can use I had a Babyliss 1.5 that actually fits pretty good as well. All right. None of my other guards rattled. It was only the wall guards that rattled on this. So that's not a problem. Like I said, their guards fit fine. No rattle, anything. So it fit fine. They actually fit pretty snug. This as a professional clipper, I wouldn't say this should be your all around day in, day out. A lot of these cheaper brand clippers, they sort of kind of want to advertise to barbers while also advertising to the home barber. You get what I'm saying? Somebody who cut their own hair, cut their kids' hair. This clipper is good for that. This clipper is not a good all-around clipper for you to fade different textures of hair all day, for you to take down bulk. It's not going to be anyone's main clipper. For $59, it is a decent clipper for someone who cutting their own hair, cutting kids' hair. Maybe you're a new barber and you're not cutting as many heads day in and day out. It says 6,500 RPM. It's kind of a slower motor than that, I believe, based off of other clippers that I have used with 6,500, 7,000, all that stuff. So I would prefer to use a senior magic clip, the gold magic clip, which is amazing, or the Stylecraft Rebels or something like that. Even the Babyliss FX, you know what I mean? So that's just me. Is it a good clipper? Yes. It got a decent fade. The blade is actually a lot smoother than I expected it to be, but it's not good with bulk. It is not taking down thick, coarse hair with ease, or even, you know, sometimes you have to put it in and kind of ease it up. But if the hair is too thick, it's not going through. It doesn't lay down waves as good as I would like it to as well, which on certain heads I would have to go back into a Stylecraft Rebel or something like that to get the hair to lay down like I want to. When you're going with the grain, it didn't feed into the blade as well to get a good smooth wave cut. You know what I'm saying? But fading, decent. You know what I mean? It's not bad at all. It just depends on what you're trying to do. If you are a barber and you are busy and you day in, day out rocking different textures, I don't think this is something you should run out to get. If you are a new barber, a student barber, a barber that's on a budget, maybe this can work for you. If you are a home barber, this is definitely something that you can pick up. $59. It comes with enough guards that you may need. It doesn't come with, like I said, it comes with a 1, 2, 3, and 4. It doesn't come with a half guard. Doesn't come with a 1.5. And I mean, unless you got, if you're a home barber and you got other tools at home, maybe you have other guards that might fit on here, then maybe this might be the best bet for you. That 5 hours of run time, I don't know. I don't think it really got that 5 hours. You get what I'm saying? I didn't test it to the full extent, but me using, I have Stylecraft Rebels, or I have used, I've used other clippers that have, like from Caliber. Caliber will tell you they got a clipper that'll last 8 hours, up to 8 hours. You get what I'm saying? And it gets there, at least very close. Usually when I use clippers that got 4 hours of runtime, it's not a, it's not counting the time when you cut it off. It's a continuous runtime. This doesn't seem like it get that full 5 hours, but maybe that's just mine, or maybe that's just me missing something when I'm looking at it. But yeah, that's the REDbyKiss, their ultra clean cut cordless clipper. There's all the 9 pieces that's included. It does come with a comb as well. I did not say it come with a comb, but it does. But yeah, there you go. If you're a barber, no. Home barber, yes. Brand new barber on a budget, maybe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, all the good stuff. Comment, share, all the good stuff. We'll be back. Peace.